Hello fam, it's Sunday morning and we're in church and I think I'll be doing a vlog today and I thought to take you guys along with me. It's going to be a vlog Sunday. After church we'll be hanging out somewhere, so we are officially opening this vlog. You are welcome to our vlog. Righteousness forever over all that dwelleth on the earth. Glory, glory, glory to the Lamb. Glory, glory, glory to the Lamb, for you are glorious.
Hello, ladies. It's a jet and mommy, daddy.
Set. That one is already sleeping. Hello people, hello ladies and gentlemen, mommies and daddies. We are on our way to the pumpkin farm, pumpkin market, pumpkin display. Just call it pumpkin anything. So church was awesome and we thought to also show you the parts of what we are doing after church. Yes. So this is the way, ladies. It's already getting dark. I hope we have a good weather to take some pictures when we get there. Otherwise, you might not get to see this vlog if it doesn't come out well. But if you are watching the vlog, just know that it came out well and we are excited. Yep. So
Estas crónicas TV. Look for we get up. Estas crónicas TV. Look for we get up. We entertain and bring you laughter from the comfort of your home. Another day,
so
another chapter.
We have many of them. This is one. This one is not a big one at all, but we just came to feed our eyes. It's called Hofladen.
Oh, look at the big pumpkin.
Can you see? Big pumpkin. See some structures here. Wow. Come guys, let's go to that side. Different kinds of pumpkin, and they are live pumpkin. Oh my goodness. Different shapes.
Why don't people go up there?
Sean, stop shouting. I mind your business. Wow.
I don't know. Even it's danger. Let's go. No, we're big.
Bigger one, round.
Look at This one there.
Let's
Which
go.
one?
Wow, it's so beautiful. Seth, look at this.
Oh.
Me, I'm not going up there.
Mommy, see what I see. I saw a big ball.
Wow. Come guys, let's go this way.
Mommy, look. It's one. There's a sculpture of a pumpkin. Which part of the pumpkin? Look.
I'm tired of this one.
It's so messy. I always have to whistle. There's so many kinds of pumpkins.
Oh.
So many kinds of pumpkins that you can see.
I'm going to be buying some herbs
Look,
inside the shop.
I
Also.
can see a man pumpkin.
Look at that.
Yeah. That means that man, and that means that man pumpkin. Mommy, I saw a man pumpkin.
You saw what?
Man pumpkin.
Okay. Oops.
Yeah, that's making me bigger.
You see that one? Guys, they are real pumpkins. So all these pumpkins you are seeing on the structures, they are very real pumpkins. They are not. They are real as real can be.
Mommy, I can see Burton pumpkin.
They are real pumpkin.
Mommy,
So they use them to do structures.
Hey, don't snap on me.
that's dangerous.
Real.
Not dangerous, but you can.
That one again.
Look what I saw. I happened to walk.
It's a yummy, yummy, yummy.
That grizzly bear moved.
Is it what?
The grizzly bear.
Which
Don't
bear?
touch that grizzly bear. Mommy, I know it's a
These are all pumpkins.
Mommy, I know it's a bear because there is some black bears and brown bears. So that's why I know this is. Then let me tell Mommy something. Don't touch that bear. Don't need to move. It's just a spoon.
They are wolf from Romanus. This is not a bear, Seth. It's a wolf.
Oh,
It's a wolf. It's not a bear.
no, I need a wolf.
It's a wolf. Okay, guys. Okay.
Yeah, it's a wolf. But don't touch it. It will move.
By this time, the set is already. Okay, let's go to the shop and see what we can buy inside the shop.
Okay, let's eat the pumpkin. The white pumpkin! I'm scared! It's a ghost Halloween! It's not Halloween. It's a ghost pumpkin!
Wait.
Decoration pumpkin! I'm not but no, I'm scared! With me!
Okay. Okay, let's go inside. Let's go.
Mommy!
Yeah, baby.
We're going to eat the pumpkin.
Yes.
I just want pumpkin. No, not for eating. No, not for looking. It's the pumpkin. Mommy, why do you always like to take a picture with me? My bag!
Wait, stop. Okay. So inside the pumpkin farm, there is a store. The store itself is what is called the Hofladen. Hof means village. So Hofladen is village shop. So what they sell basically here are 100% organic things. You have jam, you have different types of herbs, you have different types of meats, salami, lasagna, sausages. Everything that you have here is very, very fresh and organic, and is usually more pricey than the regular shop. So normally sausage that you can buy for 10 francs outside the regular shop, here it will be like 15, 17. Even their eggs, they sell their eggs one by one. One egg is 1 franc. Meanwhile outside you can get like 6 eggs for 3 francs, but here if you are buying it from here it's 6 francs. So they have also fresh yogurt, fresh milk, fresh vegetables. Everything is directly from the farm. So that's what you're seeing. Everything fresh directly from the farm, but a little bit pricey than the regular shops. So we end up buying pumpkin and some eggs. That's all I bought, pumpkin and eggs. But we really fed our eyes, and it was fun for the kids. Like you see them running around. There were so many things that I don't even know that I've never seen in the regular shop, because this is a typical village market directly from the farmer's farm. So you see the way I love the way they package those onions. The packaging was it for me. The packaging were right, and everything about the farm was just fresh. This right here is well packaged, and you can even use it as a fruit, as a gift to somebody. So right about now we are getting ready to leave. We just came to pick our own pumpkins. Guys, there were so many different types of pumpkins that I've never seen. Like this is pumpkin looking like a snaky worm. Look at that one. But they were so beautiful. God is awesome. The way he created things and carved them. I think they have more than 50. What is 50? More than 100 types of different shapes of pumpkin. And like you see those sculptures that I said, those were live pumpkin. And pumpkin, these are the season for pumpkin anyway. That's why you see this village that we came is a very small one. There is a bigger one, and they have it in almost all the major cities and almost all the major villages. So that's what you have there, Hofladen. So we just decided to take some pictures, of course, for your pleasure, your memory, and our memory. For your pleasure, our memory, and for your entertainment also. So keep watching. Make sure you like the video, thumbs up the video. If you haven't thumbs up the video, please share it if you can. And if you are new here, my name is Esther of the Esther's Chronicles TV. This is a happy place and a joyful zone. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up. God bless you. Also leave us a comment. What do you think about it? Is it nice? Do you want to see more of this? We'll see you in our next video. God bless you. Bye bye.
Esther's Chronicles TV. Look for we get up. Esther's Chronicles TV. Look for we get up. We entertain and bring you laughter from the comfort of your home. Another day, another chapter of something to enjoy. Yes, we go motivate you. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Content will go benefit you. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Subscribe, make you elevate your mind, and make sure you like, go. Drop a comment and share with your friends and family. Yeah. Esther's Chronicles TV. Look for we get up. Esther's Chronicles TV. Look for we get up. We entertain and bring you laughter from the comfort of your home. Another day, another chapter of something to enjoy. Esther's Chronicles TV. Look for we get up. Esther's Chronicles.